Have you ever asked yourself, are our eyelid primers and our face primers really that different? Here's why you should not substitute one for the other when it comes to your eye primer and your face primer. And to be honest, I've always wondered about this, and now it makes sense after researching it and trying to actually use my face primer as my eyelid primer. I haven't ever actually considered doing it the other way around though, just FYI. Anyway, the main difference between face primers and eye primers is their formula and their use. Most face primers contain the ingredients of water and silicone. Not all of them, but the majority of them do, which is what helps to make them smooth to the touch and helps fill in pores and blur imperfections on large areas like the cheeks and the chin and nose area, and they're usually pretty viscous, which is why this could actually wreak havoc on your eye makeup though, because the higher amount of silicone would create too slippery of a surface on the eyes, which would add to creasing and make it harder to blend your eyeshadows out evenly. Eyelid primers, on the flip side, are specifically formulated for use around your delicate eye bed. Most feel a bit tackier than a face primer and provide a slight grip to help make your eye product of choice last longer and also allow whatever shadow or liner product you're using to appear more vibrant. Now, if you're thinking, oh, but I love a multi-purpose product, I just wouldn't suggest trying to use your eye primer on your entire face. It'll probably grab your makeup in a weird way and not leave you with a smooth base like the face primer would. If you have never actually used either primers before, I would definitely suggest giving it a try though, just to see if your foundation and your eye makeup would perform better and have better staying power. And so here are a few of my favorites in various price points if you're curious to try out one for yourself. For face primer, I like the $10 e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer for drugstore pricing. And for a more prestige product, I really like the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen because it also contains SPF 40, which is a huge deal for me to have that added protection plus primer aspect. I do like to use my fingers to apply these face primers as they're a lot like skincare for the face. Remember, primers to be applied after your moisturizer, but before your powder or liquid foundations and concealers. Now for eyelid primers, I'm a bit different when it comes to application because I like to use the Anissa Beauty Eye Care Treatment brushes. When it comes to eye makeup as a whole, I do not like to touch my eyes with my fingers a whole lot. I like the ease of blending and control of smaller areas with a precise brush. And in terms of products, Morphe's Translucent Eyelid Primer is great for a less expensive option at $10, and the MAC paint pots that are $23 each and come in various shades, which can help even out skin tone and coloring on the eyelid, can also be used as cream eyeshadows alone, are wonderful. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I'll link my product suggestions for both eyelid primers and face primers below in the description box of this video for you to check out if this is a new category of makeup that you're interested in. And I'd love to hear what some of your favorite primers are if you've been using them for a while and it's something different than I mentioned here. So let me know in the comments below. I'm always up for trying something new. And I'm sure anyone else new to the primer space would like to see other recommendations. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you on the next video. Is a great, less expensive option at $10, and the MAC, oh my God, now I've lost it. I lost the product I wanted. I was on a roll. Can we try it again? Hold on.
Well, just stay put. I'll just rewind it.
Oh my God, I was on such a roll.